that's all for today's little vlog, you guys. I am very excited to post my first vlog ever, and I am filming this on a different day actually. Who am I kidding? I am filming this on a different year, man. If you want to make memories, just get out there, take some pictures, make your friends take pictures of you, have a picnic with your family, or just read a book in a quiet place. I'm lucky that way. I happen to have a grove just outside my house and I am looking at it right now. Don't worry, you'll see the view like 1,000 times on this channel. Let's appreciate every sunny day we get in our regions, whether it's in spring or summer, to say nothing of fall and winter time. Just make the most out of it. And if you feel like you need a fresh start right now, like the planet is spinning too fast and you certainly need to clear your head from everything, then I would recommend to just get out there 10-15 minutes, however much you can afford. Just hit that pause button and I guarantee you that will do the thing. If you do decide to take a walk out there and take some pictures, make sure to share those with us, whoever is watching this video too, or maybe even film a short video with like your favorite place or something, and you can post it as a video response to this video or link it in the comment section. I would love to see the nature in your region, wherever you are watching this from. So yeah, I am looking forward to talking to you guys on social media or right here in the comment section. Just don't forget to be happy and make sure you do everything you can for people around you to be happy too. Bye.